Namaste to everyone. My name is Shweta and I am a teacher in Jaygopal Garudia Rashtrothana Vidya Kendra, Ramurthy Nagar, Bangalore. Children, we all stay in the beautiful city of Karnataka and I think you people know what is speciality of our state. Yes, children, our state Karnataka has many beautiful ancient temples and holy places like we have Dharmasthala Manjunatha temple and Udupi Sri Krishna temple, and I think you people must have heard about Kolur Mukambika, Murdeshwara and even Kukke Subramanya. So children, today I will share some information about Kukke Subramanya temple with you all.
जय हे जय सुब्रह्मण्य नमो भयहर सुरदीन शरण्य नमो श्रितपालक कुक्के नाथ नमो श्री मुरगरूपधर मुरुग नमो ऐश्वर्याश्रितवर योगि नमो ओंकार प्रिया षण्मुखने नमो
Now children, this temple of Kukke Subramanya is 5000 year old and it is one of the 7 holy places built by Saint Parshurama. This temple of Kukke Subramanya is historically and mythologically famous for Nagaradhane. Now let's see where is this temple located. This temple of Kukke Subramanya is located in the beautiful village called Subramanya in Dakshin Kannada district of Karnataka state. It is near to Mangalore and a few hundred kilometers from Bangalore. This temple is one of the divine place located in India with its natural beauty. Like this temple is located on Kumara Parvata. Yes, this temple is located in the Western Ghats. So we have Sahyadri mountains, there are rivers, there are forests which makes this temple a place of scenic beauty. Here in this temple, Lord Subramanya is worshipped in the form of snake cobra and he is considered to be the Lord of all serpents. Now why he is worshipped in the form of a snake? For that there is a story. According to one ancient story, this temple is built at a spot where
Vasuki,
the king of all serpents prayed to Lord Shiva to protect all the snakes from the extreme anger of Garuda. Pleased by the penance of Vasuki, Lord Shiva sent his son Subramanya to protect the snakes. Lord Subramanya arrived and he protected all the snakes from Garuda. Since then, he is worshipped as the protector of snakes. And this place where Vasuki and other snakes took refuge under Lord Subramanya was a cave in this village of Subramanya. So that is why this temple is called as Kukke Subramanya. Kukke means cave.
there is one more story saying that all the gods prayed to Lord Subramanya to kill the demon Tarakasura who was troubling them all. So, as requested by all the gods, Lord Subramanya fought with Tarakasura. It was a tough fight and the battle ended when Lord Subramanya killed the demon Tarakasura.
Further, this story says that after winning the battle with Tarakasura, Lord Subramanya and his brother Ganesha were greeted by all the gods and Devraj Indra. Indra offered that Lord Subramanya should marry his daughter Devasena. Lord Subramanya agreed for the marriage, and with the blessings of his parents, Devi Parvati and Lord Shiva, and in presence of all other gods, this divine marriage took place on the day of Margashira Shuddha Shashti. So, it is this place at which Lord Subramanya was married to Devasena. And as Lord Subramanya had promised Vasuki that he will protect all the snakes, so Lord Subramanya, along with his consort Devasena and Vasuki, reside at this place. Now, children, I would like to take you all to this temple tour. As I said, this temple is located on the beautiful mountains of Western Ghats. So, when we enter this temple premises in the beautiful village of Subramania, we see that though the main entrance of this temple faces east, the devotees enter from the west through main Gopuram after taking a holy dip in the river Kumaradhara. Yes, children, there is a belief that Lord Subramanya, after killing the demon Tarakasura, washed his weapons in this water of Kumaradhara. That is why people believe that taking bath in this holy river cures all types of skin diseases, as the water is powerful. So, once we enter inside the temple, we will see one silver Dhwaja Stambha, or it is also called as Garuda pillar, made up of silver. It is said that this pillar was built to protect the devotees from the poisonous flames coming out from the breath of Vasuki, who is still said to reside in the temple. Then, once we are inside the temple, we will see that at the center of the sanctum, means at the center of Garbhagriha, there is a platform. And on the topmost upper platform, there is an idol of Lord Subramanya. In the middle portion, there is an idol of Lord Vasuki, and in the lower portion, there is an idol of Lord Shesha. So, this is how the temple and the deity looks like. Now, I will talk about the important pujas performed here. This temple is famous for Sarpadosha Puja. Yes, thousands of devotees come from all over India to offer Sarpa Samskara Puja, Ashlesha Bali Puja, and Naga Pratishthe. Yes, it is believed that Sarpadosha Nivarana Puja performed here gives good results and people can overcome obstacles in their lives. A childless couple will be blessed by the child once done puja over here. People who are facing delay in marriage due to dosha also come here to perform dosha nivarana puja. And lot of people have got good results by performing pujas over here. After having divine darshana of Lord Subramanya and offering puja, devotees can avail the service of free food served in the temple. Yes, the temple has the facility of Annadana, means free food for all the devotees. Now, let me share with you all what are the important festivals or Mahotsavas which are celebrated at the temple. On the day of Kartika Amavasya, Laksha Deepotsava festival is celebrated at the temple. One more important festival is Skanda Shashti or Champa Shashti, which is celebrated in the Margashira month. Means November or December month, Champa Shashti or Skanda Shashti festival is celebrated. This Mahotsava is carried out like a Rathotsava. Yes, it is called as Rathotsava, where Lord Subramania's procession is taken out in different types of chariot, like flowers chariot, Mayura Vahana or peacock chariot.
The devotees of Lord Kukke Subramanya celebrate Champashashti and the Brahmotsava festival with great joy and enthusiasm. During the Champashashti festival, devotees are given mud from the ant hill as prasada. They call it Moola Mritika Prasada. Some other important festivals celebrated here are Nagapanchami, Makar Sankranti, and Mahashivaratri festivals.
So, children, Lord Subramanya is believed to be a powerful god who takes away all our sorrows and fulfills the wishes of devotees who worship him with love and dedication. I hope Lord Subramanya blesses all of us, and I hope that you all enjoyed this video and you got information about Kukke Subramanya temple through this video. धन्यवाद children.
नागरूप धरिसि बंद मंगल